2020 Tundra. It's a 4x4. It's the only damage to the side over here. Got the fender, the door, the mirror, the A-pillar into the roof a little bit here. It's repairable. Rear door, the cab. Probably repair this also. Bedside. Unit runs and drives. We replaced the back glass and 2 door glasses so that it wouldn't rain inside the car or weather. This side's pretty clean. Let's take a look inside. You have a seat airbag that's deployed here. Also the curtain. Other side curtain airbag looks okay. The unit does run and drive. Really nice truck. There's no frame damage. H-frame looks good. No suspension damage. Take a look under the hood. We'll be on the website soon. If you like our content, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll update videos like this daily. We have hundreds of vehicles coming in every month. Thanks for watching.